Hello everyone. Today I will explain Gauss-Jordan method. Suppose we have a system of linear equation is of the form Ax is equal to b. So first of all, write the augmented matrix. So the augmented matrix is AB. That is, here A is the coefficient matrix, X is the unknown vector, and B is the constant vector. In that case, Gauss-Jordan method follow the same procedure of the Gauss elimination method, in which the coefficient matrix A reduced into a diagonal matrix as A111 0 0 0, because here coefficient matrix A having the order n by n, 0 A222 0 0 0 0 A333 0 2 0 0 0 2 A n n n of A1 n plus 1 1, A2 n plus 1 2, A3 n plus 1 3 to an n plus 1 n. Then the values of the unknown variables is computed by the formula xi is equal to ai n plus 1 I divided by aiii. Here I is equal to 1 2 3 4 up to n. That is, when we put I is equal to 1, then we obtain x1. Put I is equal to 2, then we obtain x2, and so on. So here I am explain this method with the help of a numerical problem. So problem is, using Gauss-Jordan method, to solve the system of linear equations. X1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 9. 2x1 minus 3x2 plus 4x3 is equal to 13. 3x1 plus 4x2 plus 5x3 is equal to 40. So explanation of this problem. So first of all, write the augmented matrix, that is, first of all write the given set of linear equations in matrix form. So the matrix form is 1 1 1, 2 minus 3 4, 3 4 5, x1 x2 x3 is equal to 9 13 40. So this is the form of Ax is equal to b. So here A is the coefficient matrix, and this coefficient matrix having order 3 by 3. X is the unknown vector, and this unknown vector having the order 3 by 1. Same here, B is the constant matrix and having the order 3 by 1. So the augmented matrix AB is equal to 1119 2 minus 3 4 13, 3 4 5 40. So here our aim is to reduce the coefficient matrix A into the diagonal matrix by using or by applying the row elementary operation. So first of all, search the key element in the first row and first column, and key element should be 1. So here in the first row, this is first row R1, this is second row R2, and this is the third row R3. This is the first column C1, this is second column C2, and third column C3. So this is the element A11 because in the first row and the first column. So this element is the key element, and with the help of this element make the below non-zero entries to 0 by performing row elementary operation. So here our aim to make 0 to 2 with the help of R1, that is key element A11, and here A11 is 1. So if we perform the row elementary operation, then change in the second row, and change is R2 minus 2 times of the R1, because 2 times of 1 subtract from 2, then it will be 0, and if the 3 times of 1 subtract from 3, then it will be 0. So the second row elementary operation R3 is R3 minus 3 times of the R1. So the reduced matrix is, we change only second and third row, so write the first row SH 1 1 1 9. So 2 times of 1 subtract from 2 is 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 times of 1, that is 2, subtract from minus 3, so minus 3 minus 2, so this is minus 5. 2 times of 1 subtract from 4, so 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 times of 9, that is 18, subtract from 13, then 13 minus 18 is minus 5. Now the 3 times of 1 subtract from 3, so 3 minus 3 is 0. 3 times of 1 3, subtract from 4, 4 minus 3 is 1. 3 times of 1 is 3, subtract from 5, 5 minus 3 is 2. 3 times of 9 is 27, subtract from 40, so 40 minus 27 is 13. So here the below entries of the key element 1 are 0. Now next is search the key element in second row and second column. So this is the key element, and this key element is minus 5. Either if we divide this row by minus 5, then this element becomes 1, or we can interchange the rows, that is if we interchange R2 with R3, then this element becomes 1 with the help of change of two rows, that is R2 and R3. That is, if we change row 2 with row 3, so a reduced matrix is change only second and third row. So write first row SH 1 1 1 9, 0 1 2 13, 0 minus 5 to minus 5. So now this is the key element, and with the help of this key element make this minus 5 is 0 with the help of the 1. If the 5 times of 1 add with minus 5, so this entry becomes 0. So here perform the row elementary operation R3. R3 is R3 plus 5 times of the R2. Then change in the third row, so write first two row SH 1 1 1 9, 0 1 2 13, 0 5 times of 1 is 5, add in minus 5, so minus 5 plus 5 is 0. 5 times of 2 is 10, add with 2, so 2 plus 10 is 12. And 5 times of 13 is 65, add with minus 5, so 65 minus 5 is 60. So here this is the A33 and this element is 12. So in that case, if we divide this 12, this row with 12, then this entry becomes 1. So here perform the row elementary operation. R3 is 1 upon 12 times of R3. So it will be change only third row. So write first two row as such 1 1 1 9 0 1 2 13 0 0 12 divided by 12 is 1 60 12 by 60 divided by 12 is 5. Now the coefficient matrix A convert into the upper triangular form of a matrix, that is this is the principal diagonal and all the entries below the principal diagonals are 0. So this matrix reduce into the upper triangular form of a matrix. So now next perform the row elementary operation from bottom to up, that is backward row elementary operation, that is with the help of key element. So here 1 is the key element. With the help of the key element make the above non-zero entries to 0 by performing row elementary operations. So here if we perform the row elementary operation, R2 is R2 minus 2 times of the R3, that is 2 times of 1 subtract from 2, then this entry becomes 0. And if subtract 1 with from the 1, then this entry becomes 0. So here perform two row elementary operation. First is R2 minus 2 times of the R3. Second R1 minus of R3. So change in first and second row. So write first row as 0 0 1 5. So 2 times of 1, that is 2 subtract from 2, this becomes 0 1 0. 2 times of 5 is 10, subtract from 13, so 13 minus 10 is 3. Now 1 subtract from 1 is 0, 0 subtract from 1 is 1 and 1 and subtract 5 from 9, so 9 minus 5 is 4. Now this is the key element and with the help of this key element make this entry 0. So here perform the row elementary operation R1 minus R2, that is if we subtract 1 from 1, then 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So this will be, that is change in the first row. So write second and third row as such. So third row is 0 0 1 5, second row is 0 1 0 3. Now first row becomes with the help of the row elementary operation R1 minus R2. So 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. Now the coefficient matrix A convert into the diagonal matrix, or this matrix also known as the identity matrix, and here the diagonal elements are equal to 1. So in that case directly if we convert this reduced matrix system into the equation form, then directly x1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to 3 and x3 is equal to 5. So x1 x2 x3, that is values of x1 is 1, x2 is 3, x3 is 5 are the solution of the given system of linear equation. Now this is a system having the 3 unknown variables. Now if we any system of linear equation having the 4 unknown variables, then how to apply the Gauss-Jordan method and compute the values of the unknown variables. Now question is, using Gauss-Jordan method to solve the system of linear equations x1 minus x2 plus x3 is equal to 0, 2x1 minus 3x2 plus x3 minus 2x4 is equal to minus 7, 3x1 plus x2 minus x3 plus 4x4 is equal to 12, 3x2 minus 5x3 plus x4 is equal to 9. So first of all write the given system of linear equation in matrix form. So the matrix form is 1 minus 1 1 0, 2 3 1 minus 2 3 1 minus 1 4 0 3 minus 5 1, unknown matrix x1, x2, x3, x4, and the constant matrix 0, minus 7, 4, minus 7, 12, 9. That is, this is a system of Ax is equal to B. Here A is the coefficient matrix, that is, this is the coefficient matrix, and X is the unknown matrix, this is the unknown matrix, and B is the constant matrix. So the augmented matrix AB, this is the augmented matrix AB, and this is equal to, that is, AB is equal to 1, minus 1, 1, 0, 0, 2, 3, 1, minus 2, minus 7, 3, 1, minus 1, 4, 12, 0, 3, minus 5, 1, and 9. So this is the augmented matrix. And when we apply the Gauss-Jordan method, so first of all search the key element. So here the key element in the first row and first column is 1. So in that case, with the help of the key element, make all entries, all non-zero entries to 0 by below the key element by performing row elementary operation. So here 2 entries are non-zero, that is 2 and 3, and this is already 0. So in that case, we perform the row elementary operation. First operation is R2 is R2 minus, if we subtract 2 times of R1 from R2, then 2 minus 2 becomes 0, that is 2 times of the R1. And the R3, that is 3 times of 1 subtract from 3, then it becomes 0. So R3 is R3 minus 3 times of the R1. So reduced matrix is, write first row as such because no change in the first row. So 1, minus 1, 1, 0, 0. Subtract 2 times of R1 from R2, then 2 minus 2 is 0. 3 minus minus 2, so this is 5. 1 minus 2 is minus 1, this is minus 2, and this minus 7, because minus 7 subtract from 2 times of the 0, so minus 7 minus 0, so this is minus 7. So 3 minus 3 is 0. 1 minus minus 3, that is 1 plus 3 is 4, this is minus 4 plus 4, and this is 12, because 3 times of 0 is 0 and subtract from 12, so this becomes 12. So the first row as such, because this entry already 0, so write the fourth row as such, 0, 3, minus 5, 1, 9. Now this element is, that is the below entries of the key element are equal to 0. So in that case, search the second key element in the second row and second column. So this is the second row and this is the second column. So this element is the key element. But here this entry is 5. Now if we make this 5 1, if we divide the whole row by 5, then we obtain 1 minus 1 upon 5 minus 2 upon 5 minus 7 upon 5. Now if we interchange any 2 rows and easily make this entry is 1, because when we divide R2 by 5, so it values are fraction, that is minus 1 upon 5, minus 2 upon 5, minus 7 upon 5. So here I am interchange the second and third row, that is if R2 interchange with R3, then we obtain the reduced augmented matrix as 1, minus 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 4, minus 4, 4, 12, 0, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 7, 0, 3, minus 5, 1, 9. Now this is 4. Now if we divide R2 by 4, then this will be 4 upon 4 is 1, minus 4 upon 4 is minus 1, 4 upon 4 is 1, 12 upon 4 is 3. So the entries in this row are non-fraction. So in that case, perform the row elementary operation. R2 is 1 upon 4 times of the R2. So reduced matrix as 1 minus 1 1 0 0, because change in the second row only, because R2 divided by 4, so this will be 0 1 minus 1 1 3 0 5 minus 1 minus 2 minus 7 0 3 minus 5 1 9. Now this is the key element, and with the help of this key element, make the below non-zero entries to 0 by performing row elementary. So by using the row elementary operation, because if we subtract 5 times of R2 from R3, then 5 minus 5 is 0, and 3 times of R2 from R4, then 3 minus 3 is 0. So here the row elementary operation R3 is R3 minus 5 times of the R2, and R4 is R4 minus 3 times of the R2. So reduced matrix is of the form 1 minus 1 1 0 0 0 1 minus 1 1 3, because no change in first and second row, change only third and fourth row. So in the third row, 5 times of R2 subtract from R3, then this row becomes 0 0 4 minus 7 minus 22, and the change in R4, that is 3 times of R2 subtract from R4, then the reduced matrix is 0 0 minus 2 minus 2 0. So now here in the third row and the third column, that is, this is the third row and this is the third column, so this entry is the key element. Now if we divide, that is, this entry should be 1, and if we make this entry is 1 and divide this row by 4, then the reduced elements of this row are 1 minus 7 upon 4 minus 22 upon 4. So values in this row are fractional. In that case, if we interchange R3 and R4, then this third row becomes minus 2 0, and if we divide minus 2 this row, then this will be 1 1 0. So in that case, here perform the row elementary operation, that is, interchange the third row with the fourth row. So reduced matrix is 1 minus 1 1 0 0, second row is 0 1 minus 1 1 3, third row 0 0 minus 2 0 0 0 4 minus 7 minus 22. Now make this entry is 1. If we divide this R3 by minus 2, then R3 will be minus 1 upon 2 times of R3. So reduced system is of the form 1 minus 1 1 0 0 0 1 minus 1 1 3 0, because change only the third row, that is, third row divided by minus 2. So 0 1 1 0 0 0 4 minus 7 minus 22. So this is the key element, and with the help of this key element, make the below non-zero entry to 0. That is, here if the 4 times of R3 subtract from R4, then this entry becomes 0. That is, perform the row elementary operation R4 minus 4 times of R3, then system will be, that is, change only the fourth row. So write first 3 rows as such: 1 minus 1 1 0 0 0 1 minus 1 1 3 0 0 1 1 0 0 0. That is 4 times of 1 subtract from 4. So this is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. 4 times of 1 is 4. Subtract from minus 7. Minus 7 minus 4 minus 11. And 4 times of 0 is 0. Subtract from minus 2. So this is minus 22. Now this entry is minus 11 and this entry should be 1. And if we divide fourth row by minus 11, that is R4 is minus 1 upon 11 times of the R4, then the reduced system first, second and third row write as such, because change only in the fourth row. So 1 minus 1 1 0 0, 0 1 minus 1 1 3, 0 0 1 1 0, 0 0 0, minus 11 divided by minus 11, so 1, minus 22 divided by minus 11 is 2. Now the coefficient matrix A convert into the upper triangular form of a matrix, because this is the diagonal elements, and all the entries below the diagonal elements are 0. So the coefficient matrix is reduced into the upper triangular form of a matrix, but our aim to reduce the coefficient matrix into the diagonal form of a matrix by performing row elementary operation. So when we apply the forward row elementary operation, then matrix convert into the upper triangular form of a matrix. Now we perform the backward row elementary operation, then this upper triangular form of a matrix converted into diagonal form of a matrix. Now perform the row elementary operation. Search the key element in first row, fourth row and fourth column. So this is the key element, and with the help of this key element make the above non-zero entries to 0. So here our aim to make the entry 1 and 1 0 with the help of the 1. So perform the row elementary operation. Operation is R3 is R3 minus R4 and R2 is R2 minus R4. So reduced matrix is of the form write fourth row as such, because change in second and third row. So fourth row is 0 0 0 1 2. Now change in that is 1 minus 1 is 0 1 0 0, 0 minus 2 is minus 2, 1 minus 1 is 0 minus 1 1 0, 3 minus 2 is 1, and write first row as such 1 minus 1 1 0 0. So this is the change in the first second and third row. Now again search the key element in the third row and third column. So this is the key element, and with the help of this key element make above the non-zero entries to 0 by performing row elementary operations. So elementary operations are if we subtract 1 from R1, that is if we perform the row elementary operation R1 minus R3, then that is 1 minus 1 is 0, and perform the row elementary operation in second row R2 plus of R3, that is minus 1 plus 1 becomes 0. So in that case write the third and fourth row as such, because change only in first and second row. So fourth row is 0 0 0 1 2, third row is 0 0 1 0 minus 2. Now change in second and first row. So here minus 1 plus 1 is 0 0 1 minus 2, this is minus 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0. Now 1 minus 1, so this entry becomes 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 2 is 0 minus 2, that is 0 minus minus 2, in that case plus 2, this is plus 2, and here minus 1 minus 0, so this is minus 1 and this is 1. So in the second row and the second column, so this entry is the key element, and with the help of this key element make the above non-zero entry to 0 by performing row elementary operation. So here when we perform the row elementary operation, so we obtain operation R1 is R1 plus R2. So in that case we obtain the reduced system into the form of 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 minus 1 0 0 1 0 minus 2 0 0 0 1 2. So this is the diagonal matrix, or this matrix also known as the identity matrix. That is, we apply the formula xi, I is equal to, or simply xi is equal to a n plus I n plus 1 I upon a I. In that case, directly when we write this matrix system into the equation form, so we obtain x1 is 1, x2 is minus 1, x3 is minus 2, and x4 is 2. So this is the solution of the given set of linear equations of 4 unknown variables. So here, after 11 steps, we obtain the solution of this system of linear equations of 4 unknown variables. Now if any system of linear equation contain more than 4 unknown variables, then the number of steps are increased. So suppose any system of linear equation contains, suppose 100 equations and 100 unknown variables, then it is more complicated to find the values of, or to find the solution of that system of linear equation manually. So in that case we generate a program in the language of the computer, in C language or C++ or Java, which is suitable to write the program and enter the values, and after print the command, then we obtain the solution of that system of linear equation. So in this lecture, the solution of any system of linear equation with the help of the Gauss-Jordan method we compute. But if the number of unknown variables more than 4, then it is more complicated to compute the solution of that system of linear equation manually. Then when we compute the solution of such type of system of linear equation, so we apply the programming language. So thank you very much.